Hello, second grade. It's Mr. Hunter here. I have your test here for math, and you're going to have your pencil. You write your name and the date on the top. Arithmetic test number 18. So we're moving along. Just to review, we're going to go through really quickly. For number one, you're going to write the answers to the combinations that you hear me say. So I'm going to read those from my book, which I have right here. Then I'm going to say a number for number two. You're going to write the number you hear me say. So instead of answering the problem, I'm not going to give you a combination for number two. You're just going to hear a number. So you may hear a number that's like 75. You may hear a number that says 375. Then you're going to go to something that's in the thousands place. So make sure you put your comma in the correct place. Like if I say 4,532, listen to each number that I say, and you can write it in the order that you hear it, and then make sure you put the comma in the right place, okay? On number three, we're going to match the Roman numerals with the numbers. So hopefully you have your Roman numeral sheet. You've been able to go over them. These are just the numbers from 1 through 10. So that should give you a hint right there. Hope you do well. Remember, you know what the I represents. The I represents 1. A V represents, you know what it is. All right, I'm not going to give it to you right now, but just keep going all the way through. And then on number 4, you're doing 3-digit combinations, and even a 4-digit combination down there. So these are pretty simple. If you need a sheet of paper, go ahead and take a sheet of paper, because what you can do is you can break it down piece by piece. Like for letter A, you can do 16 minus 8, and then you can get that answer. And then you can do whatever that answer is minus 4, and then you can get that answer, and then you can minus 2. So you can take it step by step, but it might be easier if you have a separate sheet of paper to write it on. If you already know it, that's fine. If you need a number line, please go ahead and write a number line. You can write it at the top, right above number 4 right there. You can write it there, or write it underneath the letter E, just so you have it, a number line all the way across from 1 to 15 or 1 to 20, all right? Write it small, or at the end of the day, get a separate sheet of paper and you can do that. Okay, number 5, you're gonna write the dates using the digits. Remember, excuse me, we're counting the dates. You guys know how to tell the dates: January, February, March, April, May, June, July. But if January is the beginning of the year, what number is the beginning of the year? So January is the first month of the year. February is the second month. So remember, that's how you're going to write these dates. So just if you get stuck, you know, start at May, you go January, February, March, April, and then you get figured out like that, okay? Keep doing that for all of those and just write the numbers only using digits, okay? Only using digits. At the bottom, writing the differences. We've been doing pretty well with this. This is the subtraction, 2-digit problems, 3-digit problems, vertical, okay? They're not any lateral ones like you were doing in section 4. That's for section 6. Flip the page. You're gonna be doing sums and differences. So now you're doing addition and subtraction. And then you're gonna have some vertical problems and some lateral problems. And very last but not least, this is called a word problem. Remember, excuse me again, sorry. When you see or hear a number, underline it or circle it right away, and then write that number down first, because that's how you're going to start to solve your problem. You have to show your word. You have to show the equation. Okay, so let's go back over. Let's go to the front and let's begin. I have some tea here. I'm sorry, my voice is a little. Make sure you guys hear me this morning. All right, for letter A, the first combination is 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7. For letter B, 15 minus 12. 15 minus 12. For letter C, 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8. For letter E, 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9. For letter E, 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4. And then for your very last problem for that one, for section 1, it's going to be 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9. All right, if you need to get those again, hear them again, just rewind the video, go back. You're not going to miss anything. This video will be up all day. We're going to go to section 2 for those of you that are ready. You're going to write the number that you hear me say. So your first number is 71. 71. Your second number for letter B is 307. 307. For letter C, it's 8,112. 8,112. One more time, 8,112. And then for letter D, the number is 9,252. 9,252. All right, guys, good luck with everything. I think you guys are going to do really well. If you have any questions, again, rewind the video, and I look forward to grading your papers. All right, have a good weekend. Great spring break.